I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. So in shader number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, inside yin yang geometry loop, we add a little tag here, and then inside of the bombs for responsible children loop, inside of what the math is going on, we add a tag right here, and then underneath it, let the motherfucker burn inside this new section, window cleaner loop. We're going to find the first visible window tile or stained on bombs tile. So get the level map origin. So diagonal offset and lateral offset using a lookup table. The level map origin, we have to offset to the correct hotel, offset to the correct room, offset to the tri-cluster, and offset to the correct layer of data. In this case, it's the window data. We have a little tag here explaining what that means, but you'll have to do that on your own time. Okay, so now we need the level map coordinates. So we're going to turn this into a two-dimensional thing, and then we're going to take the size of the current tile in pebbles multiplied by the number of discrete units in a tile to get the number of discrete units in a tile. We're going to do this right here to get the global tile coordinate. So sample point divided by the number of discrete units in a tile gets our global tile coordinate. We're going to create this anti-remainder by taking the global tile coordinate multiplied by the number of discrete units in a tile, chop this off from the discrete global sample point to get a internal local sample point within our tile. This is the room address on a 15 by 15 grid, and we do that by taking the global tile coordinate divided by the number of tiles within the level. Okay, global room coordinate. So with the global room coordinate divided times the lateral span, this times the lateral span creates an anti-remainder. We chop it off from the global tile coordinate to get a localized tile coordinate called local map coordinate. We're going to convert this to a texture sampling fucking unit. Fucking hell, they're the same exact fucking thing, but one is a render unit, one is a texture unit. Okay, down here, get GMC. So the global map coordinate is the level map origin plus the level map, like, local coordinate. We'll use this later in the next video, but we are so fucking out of time. I fucking hate this. If you want a longer goddamn explanation, then go somewhere else. No, like, go somewhere else. Go here. Because this is the fast video. We don't have any fucking time to go into more detail. This is an advanced playlist. If you don't understand, you gotta go here, okay? There's actual technical demos here, and fucking source code and shit right here, and there's ways to get a hold of me. I'm so fucking done with this. Like and subscribe.